female DJs duke it out, but has one crossed the line? Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Social media hooked on a cast involving Ishawna and Daniel D.I. However, some outraged over a reference to an ailing relative.
Dancehall feuds are mostly male sport.
One day we rode the mountain crest.
But Lady Saw, Spice and Maca Diamond also vets of the word-throwing wars. Current contender Ishawna in the firing line ever since her controversial single Equal Rights.
Equal rights and justice.
And more recently, seeming to insult Jamaica's secular saint, Miss Lou. No bandana for Ishawna. Her opponent Daniel D.I. opening fire and some say hoping for a hype. Diss tracks exchanged.
Well, Anthony, this is a long time coming. It's not just happening now. The most recent thing that made this whole beef start is when I got a voice note about her discussing me. This girl has always wanted to be me. Her whole career move was to try to mimic me. I want a DJ like D.I. You know, I want an outfit like D.I. You know, I want a shorts like D.I. Wow, you know, some me that wear a hairstyle like D.I. like that. Always, a long time coming. From she was with her baby father, Put a Hype. She used to tell him not to play my songs. She's a bit down sound. When she and the people them know that down sound fall out, you hear the girls come back and tell me certain things.
So you got the voice note?
I got the voice note, and one day I might just release it.
And you dropped this sort of this song?
I dropped this sort of this song because I have to talk my mind.
Somebody puts out a voice note about you. Who cares?
I care. Because at the end of the day, you're trying to discredit me. And you're trying to discredit me over and over throughout the years. And I'm just not into it anymore.
By the way, how you got the voice note?
Got the voice note same way from one of our friends. I don't like her, she and them fall out. Same people send me the damn voice note.
How bad was the voice note?
It's just an escalation. It has been happening over the years. And it's something that I know. You don't hear me tell you, say, she girl used to tell her own baby father don't play my music. Our own baby father used to see me and try to tease me and tell me, say, yo, she better than you, you know, she this than you, you know.
She was obsessed with you?
She's always been obsessed with me. She's a person like that that's obsessed with your life. From I was with even Ricardo Fuller, she used to try to friend me. I've been at parties in the car, me and him sit down after a party and she's coming to the door to try to be my friend. I've been in dances with her and she's like putting her hand around my neck. But hey, what them grudge me for? Like me and her is friends. Me and her cannot be friends. We're cut from a different cloth. We don't share the same mindset or the same values.
Shutterfly, butterfly, 4 5 licking. When the rifle and not boom, time for your death.
Finish her.
Go take care of your half dead woman. You say she a battle for life.
But Ishawna going for broke and perhaps going too far.
You is a walking dead.
With a reference to D.I.'s bedridden mother. Dig out a family plot she posted on Instagram, along with a picture of D.I. and her mom in hospital.
Do your mama a favor while the
Shocked reactions all round.
On social media, when I got up this morning and I checked the trends map for Twitter and I checked the trending videos for YouTube in particular, it was off the charts in terms of dividing opinion. But overwhelmingly, the opinion was in the favor of D.I. saying, too far, you don't say these things. There are certain, you see, Jamaican culture, even in the dancehall, particularly in the dancehall, you value mother. Mother is put on a pedestal. You don't go there.
There's nothing that this girl does that would shock me. But first and foremost, she's a mother herself. She has I'm younger than this girl, as a matter of fact. She has a son that is about 13 years old. She doesn't post him. He doesn't live with her. Everybody except her he lives with. So therefore, she doesn't know anything about being a mother.
Let's leave him out of it.
Right.
How did you feel about the image with your mother in hospital?
It didn't hurt my feelings one bit because I know my mother is God bless and she's getting better.
So you're okay with her taking that tack?
If that's what she needs to do, nothing. She's so desperate for fame and attention, so she'll do anything. That's the type of person that she is. It's obvious. She dismissed Lou the other day, didn't she?
Clashes not for the faint of heart. Even family members fair game, some say. But are there no rules in this ring? A code of conduct for combatants.
And a buckle rum for drink when the man berry.
Conk your daughter and send her go buy a cranberry. It's fundamentally different on a human level than your mother is on her deathbed and she'll go dead and prepare for burial and go whatever in our undercarriage and what have you. You don't say those things, and it's not even like it's written for men and women. People will react or not react, and then when you use a picture of the woman in her bed with these tubes coming out of her as a promotional video, you know you've gone too far.
Me know my hand straight when me fire the headshot.
Hard to imagine Ishawna topping this one, or has she run out of ammo? And can DI recover? Or was this one too close to home?
Me right now, Anthony, me just defend myself. That's all I'm doing. I'm defending myself, and if somebody comes for me, there's no way that I'm going to take it. I'm not that type of person. I'm going to have to defend myself. Simple.
Babe, just go and do your thing, you know.
All right.
I want to big up yourself, you know. You hear that? Just go and do it, you know. You see?
Yeah.